Hi Shamoon, what are we doing today?
Flame, I need to train you every day. We do what all viruses do. Virus is a program that spreads malicious code by copying itself and infecting host computers. We can corrupt data or impede system performance.
I remember now, we are distributed through downloads, email attachments, or removable media such as CDs, DVDs, or USB drives.
Exactly. We attach ourselves to legitimate executable files on a host computer that allows the virus to be loaded when the user opens the file. We will be activated when loaded into a computer's memory, and then we may continue to spread its viral code into a number of other programs and files stored on the host computer. The computer's programs may still continue to work normally, but also spread the virus code to other machines on the same network, or machines that use the same storage devices.
We must use polymorphic code to avoid detection by antivirus software, modifying their decryption modules so we can change each time it infects a new host.
Today we are attacking FIU's PantherSoft. Today is the beginning of Final S week and we will destroy everything. Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha.